Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to offer you a little treat from the sideshow. This is a classic stunt known as the human blockhead. That's where the blockhead, that's me, takes a 6-inch nail and they hammer it, bang, straight into their head. Now, I'm not going to do it there, obviously, that would ruin my face paint. No, we're going to go a little lower and a little more central. We're going to go in through the nose. That's dead handy because there's already a hole there. Convenient. Still painful and still dangerous, though. There's an artery there, you got to make sure you don't nick that because that'll kill you. There's a little membrane you gotta puncture, a little flap you gotta flip, then you gotta straighten out the passage all the way to the back of your throat and stop before you puncture your spine, because that'll kill you too. Alright, here we go, ladies and gents. I need a little something to bang it in and make a little bit of noise. Alright, here we go. We'll go 3, 2, 1 year ago, man, I was doing this. It went horribly wrong. Let me tell you, there was blood everywhere. But that's like a 1 in 100 chance, and I've done it 99 times since then, and it has been fine. Here we go. We'll do it for real. Do it for real. This is a good idea. That's not a good idea. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It vanished. That hurts so good.